everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have a collaboration video with a company called HeathYoga.net. I typically don't do any kind of collaborations. It's not because I don't get too many requests. I get quite a few requests, but they just don't fit in with my channel. I don't wear makeup and I don't do a lot of reading, so I don't do reading lights. I got things for chocolate one time and just some very odd, strange stuff that I don't feel fits my channel or my lifestyle. However, when Heath Yoga reached out to me, I do work out. So I was like, so it's not yoga, but I do work out quite often, probably about 4 to 5 times a week. On top of that, I looked up, checked them out, and they seem to have gotten some great reviews. So I said, why not? So I was able to pick out 8 to 11 items, and I get them for free, and in exchange, my honest review. And I will be honest with you, okay? So first up, I have out the workout Capri leggings with pockets. I'll back up so you can see them, okay? You can see that they're Capri, and I purposely chose them to be Capri because that's what I prefer, plus I'm only 5'2". I got them in a purplish red color, right? And they're space dyed. So I'll come closer so you can see them and pan down so you can see how they're space dyed in this purplish red color, okay? So there's like like white intermixed in with the red. So these were $26.90 on their website. They're 75% polyester, 25% spandex, they're moisture wicking, and they're squat proof, and I believe they are. So I'm actually very pleased with these leggings. They're very comfortable and they're very soft. Like I said, they have the pockets and they have the seaming down here on the side. They do have a wide waistband, but the band itself, the elastic itself, is only about 1 inch. But it is this wide piece waistband up here at top. I like these leggings and I would use them for the gym. So I am pleased with this, okay? Next up, I have the twist front V-neck twist knot tee in black. It's originally $16.90. It's now on sale on their site for $11.83. It's 95% rayon, 5% spandex. This is super, super soft. I can't even explain how soft it is. All my items I got in a small. I can range in yoga pants and stuff from a extra small to a small, and I thought it's error on the side of caution and just order everything in a small. The top, I could have gone down to an extra small. This is super soft and I like it, but I would not wear it to the gym for a couple of reasons. One, it's too big, and when I work out, I don't want to expose myself. And two, a lot of times we do things on the floor, and I don't want this twist knot poking at me when I'm doing things. But I would wear this, like occasionally I'll sign up for, other activities, not necessarily a regular gym. Like I was doing yoga for a while with my husband, and I also did this other place where it was, I forget the name of it already, but other activities other than that. Plus this would be a good top for hanging around the house too. It is super small, and one of the things I like about it is the V is nice. It's not this big plunging V. So this is a very nice top. I would just stick to your normal size. A size small is pretty big for me. All right, I'll show you the back of it. You can see how it covers the tush, okay, if that's something you're interested in. So it would be perfect with leggings. And then along with that, I'm going to take off the top because I actually have a sports bra on that I'm sure you're going to want to see. All right, this bra came in a 3-pack. It's the high neck racerback sports bra. The 3-pack was $26.90. It's 90% rayon, 10% spandex. It has 4-way stretch, removable pads. It's wireless and seamless. And I have to say, this is very comfortable. I don't wear this kind of sports bras to the gym. I wear the kind that are zipper because I don't like pulling a sweaty bra off of me and over my head. But I have to say that this is a very comfortable sports bra, and it is supposed to be high impact, and it does seem to hold me in place. I will keep these and I will hold on to them. I just probably wouldn't wear them to my regular gym class because I get too sweaty. There will be other times where I might need a sports bra though. Maybe I'm even going to physical therapy or something along those lines where I would need to wear a sports bra, especially one without zippers, this would be perfect. All right, so here's the back of it. All right, you can see it has that little cutout design here in the back right here. I like it. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. This is a perfectly acceptable, affordable workout attire, and I can't say anything negative about it. All right, give me a minute and I'll throw on the next item. All right, the next outfit, I have on another one of the bras that were in a 3-pack. This one is black, and I misspoke on the price below. For the bras, the 3-pack is $35.90. Again, the bras are 90% nylon, 10% spandex. They have the removable pads on the inside. And yeah, these are, I mean, they're a good basic pullover sports bra. There is nothing negative to say about them. I like them. I just typically don't like pulling something sweaty over my head, but I did choose these because I felt I needed to share a sports bra with you, okay? I tried to get a variety of items that, you know, to display the different types of things that they had there. So next up, I have the fleece line taper joggers. So these are sweatpants and they are beautiful. They're $39.90, and I have to say these are much nicer than the ones I've gotten from Nordstrom and from some of the other fashion boxes. Well worth the $39.90. They have the 2 side pockets that are pork chop style in the front. They have 1 patch pocket here in the back. They're 4% spandex, 36% cotton, and 60% polyester. I'll pan down so you can see the bottom of them. They have like a little cuff around the bottom of the ankle here. I got them again in a size small, and that is the right size for me. It has the drawstring waist and a nice, thick, wide band. All right, I really like these, and I can't say anything negative about these sweatpants. I'm very happy that I stuck these on the list and that they provided them to me. All right, give me a minute and up for the next outfit. Tennis, anyone? So the next item I picked out is this tennis skirt. However, that's how they describe it. It is not a skirt, it is a skort. So it has these little built-in shorts that are perforated, with a pocket here. You see that? Isn't that great? There's like a pocket here. There's silicone lining around here on the bottom edge of the short that is very comfortable and will help keep the shorts in place versus riding up. And again, it's perforated, so it has some air to it, and it has a pocket on this side, and then it has this adorable little skirt over it. And inside the skirt too, there's also a little place here to hold your key. This skirt or skort, I should say, is adorable. I don't wear skorts, but this is coming with me on my vacation where I'm going to San Diego, and I will play tennis there. So usually, I do like to play tennis. I'm not very good at it. I'm a beginner, and I never play it when I'm at home. But whenever I go on vacation, I always try and get some lessons booked in. So this is going with me. I think it's adorable, and it really makes me want to play tennis. That's how cute this little skort is. Highly recommend it. It is cute, especially if you're a skort person. Like I said, it has the silicone to keep the legs in place. It's, you know, it has the perforation so you're not hot, and it has the pockets as well. So this is the tennis skirt, and it's 83% nylon, 17% spandex, and the lining is 95% polyester and 5% spandex, the shorts, okay? With it, I have this crop tank that has a built-in shelf bra with it with removable cups. Again, everything's a size small, and I would say everything fits me true to size, you know, and again, I sized up, but I often do size up in athletic wear, you know, in most brands, not all brands, but a lot of brands. So I would say everything is true to size. If you are between an extra small and a small, like me, go with the small. If you're between a small and a medium, obviously go with the medium, okay? So this is an adorable tank too, and it's like in this slate blue, and it has the T in the back. Totally bringing this out with me to San Diego, and I totally plan on taking some tennis lessons. So I'll stand back so you can take a look, turn around, and I'll come a little closer so you can see it. It fits well underneath the arms. I think everything's covered. I think I'll be held in place. Yeah, cute, cute, cute. All right, give me a minute and I'll show you the next item. Okay, I forgot to tell you the price of the tank. The tank is $27.90, but at the time I bought it, it was on sale for $16.03. and the Skort is $29.60. Okay, up next, I ended up getting this yoga towel that goes over your mat. Look at this beautiful print. Isn't this beautiful? It has some blues and some oranges. I love the print. And I wanted, again, show you some of the other items they have, because it's really a yoga company. And like I said, I don't do yoga, but I wanted to show a variety of items to you. It has these little pockets here in the back that you can put around your mat. Okay, this is microfiber, and they actually gave me a little water bottle to use and to spray down the mat before you use it. It is, let me see if I can tell you about it. Machine wash cold, tumble or hang dry, do not use fabric softener. And I can say all the items that I have purchased are machine washable, and I would line dry all my items because that's just typically what I do. So this is cute. I got this and I figured I can use it as like a beach mat at the beach, because things wouldn't stick to it so much. Yeah, it's really cute, really nice long mat. It's taller than me, if you can see. So I'm 5 feet. I would say that this is probably 6 feet tall. All right, give me a minute and I have one more item to show you. Okay, so I am back from my vacation and with my final item that I got in this collaboration. It came a little bit later than everything else. I have it paired with the third bra in the 3-pack of bras. This one's like a dark navy with black trim. These are very comfortable, typical pull over your shoulder sports bras. I do feel that they're a good support. I just don't like sports bras that I pull over my head. And please be kind, I have extra fluff here from my vacation. With it, I have these, what they call these bubble leggings, and I do not like these leggings at all. They are textured, which I will show you in just a minute, and they're meant to give your butt a better impression because there's like a gathering here. The reason why I don't like them, there's no compression, and I don't like the texture on them. It's almost like an egg crate all over your legs, like an eggshell, like a bubble wrap, almost like on your legs. So I'll come closer so you can actually see what they look like. Okay. All right, so there's like a texture all over these leggings. Yeah, so I have to say the other leggings I've already wore on my vacation, and I highly recommend those. I work out them, and they felt just like my regular, Beyond Yoga leggings. Those are fine. So I would highly recommend those. The tennis skirt is adorable. The sports bras, if you're looking for a nice, decent sports bra that won't break the bank, recommend those. I just don't care for these leggings. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. Go down below and click the link. I'll list every item I did in this try-on if it's still there and available. It's Heath Yoga is the name of their website, and that will also be linked below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? And click that notification bell and give me a thumbs up. Take care until next time.